What if your motorcycle could ride like a jet, think like a computer, and cruise like a luxury car? Today, we're talking about a machine that doesn't just travel miles, it redefines them. This is the 2026 Honda Gold Wing DCT. Welcome back to Biker Wish, the channel where we break down the world's most iconic motorcycles, honestly, clearly, and rider to rider. If you love long-distance comfort, cutting-edge tech, and legendary reliability, you're in the right place. Overview: what makes the 2026 Gold Wing DCT special? The Honda Gold Wing has always been the king of touring, and in 2026, Honda sharpens the crown. This bike isn't about chasing top speed, it's about delivering the smoothest, smartest, and most luxurious ride you can get on two wheels. And with Honda's DCT dual clutch transmission, the experience feels almost futuristic. Engine and performance. At the heart of the Honda Gold Wing is Honda's legendary 1833cc flat-six engine. It's buttery smooth, incredibly balanced, and built for endless highway miles. Power delivery is effortless, no drama, no vibration, just pure, controlled torque. The DCT system shifts seamlessly, whether you're crawling through traffic or cruising at highway speed. No clutch lever, no fatigue, just twist and go. Ride comfort and handling. Despite its size, the Gold Wing handles with surprising confidence. The low center of gravity keeps it stable, while the advanced suspension absorbs rough roads like they don't exist. Long rides feel shorter, and short rides feel luxurious. This is a bike designed to keep you fresh, even after hours in the saddle. Technology and features. The 2026 Gold Wing DCT is loaded with tech. A large TFT display, Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, premium sound system, navigation, ride modes, traction control, and electronic cruise control. Everything is designed to reduce rider stress and increase enjoyment. This bike doesn't overwhelm you, it supports you. Design and presence. Visually, the Gold Wing remains elegant and powerful. It doesn't scream for attention, it commands respect. The fit and finish are top tier, and every detail feels premium. This is a motorcycle that looks just as good parked outside a luxury hotel as it does rolling down the open highway. Who is this bike for? The 2026 Gold Wing DCT is for riders who value comfort, reliability, and refinement over raw aggression. If you tour long distances, ride with a passenger, or simply want the most relaxed riding experience possible, this bike delivers every single time. Final verdict. The 2026 Gold Wing DCT isn't just a motorcycle, it's a statement. A statement that touring can be smooth, smart, and incredibly satisfying. Honda didn't reinvent the Gold Wing, they perfected it. If you enjoyed this review, hit the like button, subscribe to Biker Wish, and let us know in the comments, would you choose the Gold Wing DCT for your next long ride? Until next time, ride safe, ride smart, and keep chasing the open road.